what is a word processing software? A word processing software is an application software for drafting. You know what is undo option means? It is going to cancel the previous action performed. Mail merge lets you create a batch of documents that are personalized for each recipient. Dear students, welcome to Computer Science classes. I am Ravi Kumar KR, lecturer in Computer Science, Vidhyaashram PU College, Temple of Excellence, Mysore. Students, let us start our discussion with the chapter 15, that is word processing. Now, the weightage of the chapter is 3 marks. You will get 2 MCQ and 1 2 marks question. Total weightage is 3 marks of the chapter word processing. Now, in this session, we are going to talk about a word processing application or a software. Let us start with the definition of what is word processing. Now, you might have an experience with MS Word software. So, MS Word software is an example for word processing software. So, what is word processing software? It is an application software. Word processing software is an application software. It is a general purpose application software. And normally what we do in MS Word, it is nothing but we are using MS Word for creating, editing, sorting, and documentation and so on. So, with the help of MS Word or with MS Word application, we are using the application for different applications like drafting a letter, application, resume, so many articles, everything. Even in MS Word, it is possible for us to include pictures and symbols and different images, etc. Not only that, and we can also make use of different fonts, different size, style, colors, so on. And again, the option of including tables, mail merge. See, these are all different applications are possible with MS Word or word processing software. So, generally, what is a word processing software? A word processing software is an application software for drafting different applications with respect to letters, graphics, tables, and so on. So, and here MS Word is an example for word processing application or a software, and WordStar and WordPerfect. These are all different examples for word processing software. Now let us see the different features of MS Word application. So we are learning MS Word application with respect to word processing software. So this is MS Word screen. So as soon as you open MS Word application, so this is the first screen, and if you look at the different parts of a screen, let us see the different parts of MS Word application screen. First screen. So first one is called the quick access toolbar. See, this is one part of it. Here directly we can access different applications and different tools actually, and these are called ribbons. And here in this version of this, all these are one entire line is called ribbon, and these are called command group. Here font is one command group, paragraph is another command group, style is another command group. And here this is the first top. On the top you can see this is a title bar. So this is a title bar where you can see the name of the application plus the name of the file what you have saved or you have opened. So this is the title bar, and these are called ribbons. All these called ribbons, and the quick access toolbar. And here what you can see just like this is called ruler. So this is a ruler, and this is called document area or working area. So this is the place where we can draft letters or we can work with MS Word application. So the documentation area, and you can see here this is scroll bar, and here there will be two scroll bar. One is this is vertical scroll bar, and here will be having horizontal scroll bar. So this is scroll bar, and this is a view of a document, and we can view, we have different types of views. One is print layout, page view, or web layout view. Different of the same document can be viewed in different ways. That is document view here. And this is your zoom control. So this, with the help of zoom control, we can increase or we can see the content with different option. Next one is, if you look at this here, this is called page and word count. In this option, this is called status bar, and here last one, you can see this here, you can find number of pages as well as number of words, as well as it says the page number where the cursor is there. So this is the MS Word screen. So with the help of this, we can make use of different tools in MS Word. Now let us see the different functions of or different tools or different command group one by one. So here the first one is, we look into that file menu. So in the file menu, we can have number of options. So first one is creating a document. In the file menu, we have different options. So if you, as we have seen here, and this is the what you can see, this is called menu bar here. What you can see here, file, home, insert, draw, design, all these are different menu. So it is possible for us to work with either through menu wise by using different menu and selecting different options under different menu. It is possible to work with MS Word, or directly we can work with this command group here. So this is an advantage of MS Word application. So accordingly, under file menu, there is an option for creating a document, how to create MS Word document. So first one is creating a document or user from the file menu of word processor. And under file menu, there is an option called new. It is new, and it is Alt F. Another method is a shortcut key. And instead of by using a mouse, you can select the file menu, or with the help of keyboard, directly you can press Alt F. So the control goes to that menu, file menu. There under that you can select N stands for new. Once you select the new, then the data or information is entered and saved. And here, once if you get the new, if you click on new button here, or if you select the new option here, it opens a new document for you. See, that is the place where you can save or you can store different types of data or information. Then we have to save the file here. Again, saving a file, same option is available under file menu. There is an option called save. You can save the file with different name. And the file, MS Word file, will contain the extension name as .doc or .docx. So this is the extension name of MS Word file. So this is how to create a new Word document or MS Word file. In the next slide, we have other different options under file menu. So this is one is close. So the file must be saved before closing it. It closes a single document but not the program. So under file menu, we have a close option. If we select that, it's going to close only the one particular file, not the entire MS Word application. Next one is save or save as. So any document, it can be saved. So there are two options. One is save option, one is save as option. So the save option, in what is the use of save option? And here Control S is the shortcut key. It save in word processor format to work on your document on another computer or for different location. So save option, it gives an option for us to select the different location in the computer to save our file. And what is save as option? The save as option, it allows us the user to save a particular file by another name, or in other words, it creates a copy of the file. That is the difference between save and save as option. Next we have exit option. So exit. Now the exit means it comes out of the MS Word application or it closes the MS Word application. So here the close option, it only closes one particular file or MS Word file, but exit option, it comes out of MS Word application. So these are all the different options under file menu. Next we move on to next one. This is called edit menu. So under edit menu we have so many options, and here you can make out some of the options are available here. Here one we have undo option here. So this is undo option. You know what is undo option means? It is going to cancel the previous action performed. So accordingly the undo option is available here. This is the key is called undo option. And next one is redo option. Undo and redo are the two buttons here. And again we have cut, paste, and clear and select all. So what is this? Is nothing but cut and copy. There are two options, so it is possible we can see the icons here, a scissor that is called cut, copy and paste option under clipboard. So here what is cut, what is the use of cut, copy, paste? So with the help of cut, copy, paste, so a selected part of a document can be selected and that part can be cut or it can be copied and we can paste it at different location in the same file or on different file. So that is the meaning of cut, copy, paste. And clear the data. Clear means it erases the selection. Suppose without sending it to the clipboard. So what is the meaning of clear? Suppose I want to delete a part of our document. So step A, we have to select the particular part of a document and we can select the clear option here. If you select the clear option, it deletes the selected part from a document. So this is the clear. And next one is select all option, or shortcut key is Control plus A. It select the whole document. So then you can do any operation or any work on this. So this is, and these are the different options under edit menu. Now in the next slide, another option is called find and replace. So what is find and replace? Suppose in a document, and here we are looking for a particular keyword in a document, and that can be achieved by using find option. So here Control F is the shortcut key, or you can select find option. As soon as you select find option, you will get a window like this. So this is a find and replace window, and here we have a find, and this is the place we can write a keyword what we are looking for in a document. So then at the same time there is also a tab called replace tab here. So we can replace the same word what we are looking for with another keyword. So if you select this option here, and we have different options under that, again replace all, replace, find all. See, with the help of this, a particular word or a keyword can be find, and the same keyword can be replaced with some other word or some other keyword. That can be done with the help of the find and replace option. So your Control F is a find and Control U, that is the replace option. Find and replace. Next one is formatting a toolbar. So what is the meaning of formatting? If you look at this here image here, you can see that, see, these are all different options available for formatting a document. So if I say formatting a document, it comes, there are so many options. Now let us see few. One is formatting a paragraph. Formatting a paragraph. What is the different option? If you look at the diagram here, images here, see this, if you look at the paragraph group, this is a group here. Under paragraph group, we have alignments, different alignments. So here the first we have different, a paragraph can be aligned either left, this is left, and one is for right, one is for center, and one is for justify. So the different option, and one more button you can see, that is for line spacing. So this is nothing but a paragraph formatting. So this is formatting. Similarly, font, if you look at the font here, now look at the font group here, and we have different buttons here. So this is the place where we can select different font name, and here the font size, and same font can be, with the help of this, here we have bold, italic, underline, and here one is subscript, one is superscript, and apart from that we have this is called font color and pen color. All these actions can be performed for a document, and these are under font group, and this is called formatting a document. And one more is clipboard, and with the help of clipboard under this group we have cut, copy, paste. These are all different options for formatting a document. Next one is called table. Now another feature of MS Word is table. So what are tables? You know that here information can be stored in the form of number of rows and number of columns. That is a table. So here in MS Word it is possible for us to insert a table with n number of rows and m number of columns. So accordingly, what is, look at this, the image here. Under this here we have insert menu. We have this called a menu. These are the menu: home, file, home, insert. Or under insert menu we have a button called table. Once you select a table button here, you will get a box here, the dialog box. With this we can select number of rows and number of columns for as per our requirement. Once we select that, so it creates a blank table in the Word document in the working area. So how to create a table? The steps goes like this. Open a blank Word document, open a MS Word application, that's the MS Word file. Then in the top ribbon, press insert. So in here we have select the insert. So that is insert. Under that we click on table button. So this is the insert. We have to click on table button here. So then we'll get a grid line like this. Those are called a grid. Under that we have to select through a diagram. We can select number of columns. Then as soon as select that, immediately a blank table will be inserted in the working area or in your MS Word document. So this is how to insert a table in MS Word. Next concept is page setup. So what is a page setup? See here, if you look at the diagram here, see this is page layout tab here. So this page layout, under this menu we have page setup group. This is a page setup group, and with the help of this, it is possible for us to set up our page. So here, like with respect to number of paper here page, we can say either orientation like portrait or landscape. Under margin we can set the margin either left, right margin, and header and footer. All these are the different options for page setup in MS Word. So these are the steps to work with page setup. Now in the next slide, word art and clip art. So it is another options available in MS Word. So with the help of this, we can insert a different images from the existing library of MS Word, or we can also, it's possible to insert a picture from other different locations. And also word art, it is possible for us to insert different types of art or different type of shapes with the help of word art and clip art. So if you look at the diagram here or image here, see this one here, and here under insert we have different options. One is picture, clip art, photo album, shape, smart art, and chart. See, these are all different options available under insert. So it is possible for us to insert word art or nothing but a smart different types of shapes, different types of arting, different type of fonts with different art. All these are possible with the help of word art and clip art. And mail merge option. So what is a mail merge? So another important feature of MS Word is mail merge option. So what is a mail merge? Mail merge lets you create a batch of documents that are personalized for each recipient. And for example, a form letter might be personalized to address each recipient by name. And data source like list, spreadsheet, or database is associated with the document. So what is the concept of mail merge in MS Word? So mail merge is a concept or an option in MS Word. So with the help of this, generally we can prepare only one document, one version of document, and the same document it can be sent to different users or different names in our database. That is the concept of mail merge. So here in this example, so in this concept, user is going to prepare only one letter or one document, and the same document goes to number of, for example, students in a college. So same letter goes to number of students in a college by only by changing the address of the students, and those addresses are maintained in computer. So here mail merge, how do we work with the mail merge? Here the steps here. First, open the designed Word document. First one is a letter or a document to be posted or to be sent, and place the cursor where the merge field is desired. And in this, with the help of mail merge, so we have a merge field, so we can insert the merge field. And the merge field, it can be like your name, address, address 1, address 2, PIN, phone number, etc. They are called as merge field. So required merge field has to be inserted in the main document. Next one is, with the help of this, we have to select the edit the field, and in the pop-up box, select mail merge option from this. Then the mail merge from the field name. So as soon as you click on this, it's going to create. Then under field properties, type a short descriptive name in the field name. For example, this is an example. Then OK, click on OK. So these are all the methods to work with mail merge. Here the main concept is, first step is to create a document, and in that document we have to insert the merge field. This is a field which we would like to insert in the main document, just like name, father name, or address 1, address 2, phone number or PIN number, etc. Those are called merge field that we have to select. And after that, if we select the option merge, so it takes all the addresses from the another file or database source where addresses are stored. So then accordingly, it's going to create so many letters of the same letter with different addresses. That is the concept of mail merge in MS Word. So we have different shortcut keys in the slide. See, so far we have learned what is a word processor software, and example with respect to MS Word application. We have learned how to work with MS Word application with a few options available. Now let us continue our discussion in the next class. Thank you very much.